Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Chainlink from your Tangem wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely between wallets, especially with the latest updates making things even smoother. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First off, make sure you have both wallets set up and access to your Chainlink tokens. You'll need the Tangem app installed on your device and your Arculus wallet ready to receive funds. Oh, and always double-check your wallet balances before starting. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the Assets section and select Chainlink. You'll see your current balance. Great, that's what we're working with. Next, go to the Send or Transfer option. Here, you'll need the recipient address from your Arculus wallet. To get that, switch over to your Arculus app, select Chainlink, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to prevent any errors. Step 2. Back in the Tangem app, paste the Arculus address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Chainlink uses the Ethereum blockchain, so gas fees could apply. Review the transaction details carefully, including the estimated fees and final amount. Once you're happy, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Tangem device's security features, like tapping your card. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. Pro tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink between these wallets in 2025. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, but security is key in the crypto world. If you run into any issues, double-check the official docs or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.